Okay, people. So today is Sunday. Today is I can't remember the name this summer. But we're going to this fete. I'll tell you later when I remember. But right now, I'm by Tahira because we're going to the fete that I don't remember the name of. And we're about to go take a car to wash and then we're going to get ready. It starts at 8, but it's like 9:05 right now. So we're kind of late, but... Hello! But, ouch! We're going to see what they're doing. Uncle Hamilton! It's all open. Ty! I have to go around? No. Oh. Oh, what you... Okay, so right now we've got some Bday and we about to go. Honestly, I really don't know where we're going now. I think it's either by Kelsey or they're gonna go somewhere else. They're supposed to get their makeup done by somebody, but that got cancelled because they got up late because it was supposed to be for 8:30 and we never leave the house till about 9 something. And now it is 9:48. 9:48 and we just got something to eat. So I think now they're gonna go to somebody to do their face. I'm gonna do my own makeup because I don't have time for that. And it's Tyra's birthday, so she has to go do her makeup or whatever. And then I think after that we go by Kelsey to get ready. To get ready to go to the fair. I don't think we could be there very long because like it starts at 8 and finish at 4 and it's already 9. It's already 10 o'clock. So I don't know how that will work, but we gonna see how it works. But we chilling right now. I have 50 something on the battery. And I have to try and preserve this as much as I can because I want to get the footage on here. I could always resort to my phone, but we're not gonna do that. I think time coming now, so we're gonna leave now. So see y'all. I forget to record, but oh my. That was fucking around, man. Just do the right thing, man. Here. Zara. Is Zara that? Yeah. I put the blush on my eyes. I put the blush on my eyes. Yeah, I'm gonna be glittering today. One of my outfits is blue. Like a really navy blue. And the other one is white. My other option. You know, get the time for the hate and the bad energy. Come on, mind, make you dance like steady green like broccoli. Okay. Coming soon, guys. Hi. Coming soon. Okay, we finished.
Me not know about you, but me know about me.
Barbie doll. Okay. Let me save this battery here. See, I don't have the charger for this. What I want in a yard and take a jiggy can do.
Oh, that's a camera?
Yeah.
Oh, what that?
Yeah.
I didn't know that was a camera. I thought it was a what? 4K. They were here 4K.
We're getting more drinks, guys. The party. What time is it?
Everybody dance, everybody
4:19 now. Let me go back to big. Oh my gosh. We're going with all of that. You're doing a lot, you know, you're really doing the most. Because why are you doing all of that? You find the bathroom, Zari? You're tired, man. I love burn a boy. Oh my god.
Let's go turn it. 2 more minutes. Just change up. Shut up, baby. Why? We are not money. So me at 10 more minutes, tell you just right now. I'm just deal with it here. Many people you know that they keep from cannabis sound full of bomb like Islam. Everywhere you try, come and hear you believe it. People are bad. Young coconut crush. Next week.
Make me harder. Make me lose my breath. Make me water.
You're the first clear day in the place now. Ready. Look off a beach in the club. Cannabis promotion with Sailors Edition.
Set up my whole body.
I can't hear you, big up.
I give you my time.
Ready. Tell about DJ Chris and Tony Balani. How you mean? Look ya. People that was our time, DJ Quest Tony Bellardi. Baddest thing since sliced cheese are going to bread. They tell you the truth. Right now, we're not wasting no time. They say me a party the host. So right now, let me tell you about my brother. Careful. And the police are listen. This man is a killer.
Okay, guys. So, it is currently 6:45 right now. We left the party a little bit earlier. Because Tyra and I had to go buy another outfit because we're going to London Strip and then we're going to boardroom afterwards. Around 9 o'clock is, as I told y'all, it's 6 o'clock, so we have a little time to breathe off, bathe, and cool out a little before we head back down to go party again. We're giving ourselves a little bit more time. I don't know if I videotaped too much because I really wanted to enjoy the little moment with the girls, as of course, and just have a little time, but I don't know, hopefully that footage is enough that can y'all can see what's going on. There's some videos that we took. I will try to use some of those videos and incorporate it into the vlog as well too, but yeah, that's the scene right now. I'm actually at Kentucky because I'm starving. Like, I'm literally starving. So I'm trying to get something to eat. And then I'll go home because I have no idea what I'm going to wear to go to London Strip and then boardroom. Because she wants us to wear black. She wants everybody that is coming with her to wear black. Yeah, I have to go home and find something that's black and see how that goes. I have a 2-piece set that is black and white. I think I might use that. And there's a long sleeve, so that should work because it's cold outside right now. Well, it be cold at this time of night. Yeah, I don't want to be cold, really and truly. But I have a little juice in me. I feel a little good. I feel a little nice or whatever. But I'm trying to hold out on the battery life on this as much as I can because I don't have the charger. I don't have the charger on me at this present moment, so I have to order a new one. I ordered it already, so it should be coming in. But for right now, the videos, I'm trying to conserve the battery as much as I can and try to charge it up whenever I can. But yeah, that's the yep. By 9 o'clock, I call time and them, see what they're doing, see where they're at, and then we go forward from that. So y'all will see all of that or whatever. I'm a little bit excited. This video could probably come before 2 other videos that I have, because one of the videos on them that I did before this week, which was last week, I'm not able to post them as yet because the girl they want is not ready for the videos and the pictures to be posted as yet until the videos and the pictures are dropped. So I'm trying to hold on to that vlog a little longer. And yeah, I'm trying to bring some more vlogs in place of that, and then I'll release it when she says okay to release it. If you look too sharp, maybe just drop on. But yeah, my camera's at 30%, so I'm gonna try to carry out this 30% as much as I can for the rest of the night. If anything, obviously I have my phone and it's charging right now, so it's okay. Regardless of what it is, y'all gonna get the content, okay? Period. So yeah, I'm gonna go get this food and then I'm gonna head home, and then I'll talk to y'all whenever I talk to y'all, okay? Okay, bye. You know, I'm so tired of my life. Anyways, so hey guys, it is Monday the 11th. It is currently 1:23 in the PM. I'm at work. It's the day after. I didn't record going to London Strip, and I didn't record going to boardroom. Because 1, we didn't really stay that long at London Strip, and 2, we couldn't record or take pictures at boardroom. So but I will try to like. We didn't take no videos at all at boardroom. So that's all the picture. I took a picture. That don't look good. I don't know. That's pretty much it really and truly. Today they're gonna have a little surprise party for her. By the time this comes out, she already know the party really done gone. But that's what we're doing tonight. I have work from 12 to 4. They said that we should be there at like 5:30, so I'm gonna try to get there. Or I had to go straight after work. I also took my car to get tinted, so the girl is no longer gonna be in the open. Because as soon as one person just glance, so they see my whole world in that car. So that's no more. So when I get back my car and they bring the car for me, it's gonna be a different situation. Okay? So I'm a little excited about that. Yeah, that's all I really have to say. So probably you might see me tonight. But yeah, I'm at work. I'm just waiting for the time to like speed up a bit. I'm here on a holiday and I never usually do that, but like I did it today. So although I don't think it's that much. I don't even know how much it is because I still don't come on a holiday. But like, might as well come today because like I won't come on Christmas Day. And I won't come on New Year's Day. So that's not happening. So might as well like go the ones and then before because I'm not coming there. I'm not doing it. Maybe Christmas Day. Should I? We'll see. So that's all. I just wanted to update y'all. My comments on 30%. You holding on? Yeah, so I'll see y'all later.
Later.
I'm tired. Don't worry about it. It's starting to make sense to me. I'll just bring her home one time, please. She's on sad. I'm sorry, but she now. Then mommy, just bring her home one time, please. Don't overdo. I'm scared now.
Okay, I feel like he didn't even want to say goodnight to us. No, I was scared, but he was
I was scared, no.
Good night, I'll come and tell you. Yes, yes. I was like, damn.
And I said, in a
You
very
never
angry
accustomed to
smile.
that kind of reaction.
Smile, smile, pretty girl.
You. But that's like, that's
Sorry, babe, you're in the
Queen
castle,
show.
right?
I can't open my eyes, it's squeezing it down. Change that song. Oh, you can't see. Come on, let me do it.
You sad?
No, I'm kind of very tired. Like when I want headache, it's falling asleep.
See, that's right. How many times? Never want to die on the road!
For real.
Hate surprises.
Why?
I've been saying this whole weekend.
Why?
Because I don't know what to do. I'm gonna just be there.
You want to be all up in action, huh? You want to know all the information, huh? Catch you.
I know how it is.
You do?
I'm a calculator now. Is it a road between Bike Beauty and
Stop calculating. How about that?
you must understand where this we have to do. You said it wrong, right?
Listen to me, woman.
Stop! I'm feeling bumpy something on you. Waters? Man, what's that?
Who was?
My heart just beating now. I'm gonna be so suspicious. Just stop asking questions
And just wait
and
and
just
see.
go. last no fuck. My last.
Hurry up, cause I can't see. I'm starving now.
Still last? Great. That's what we love. But it's not, you know, pretty girl. Looking so beautiful in your blindfold.
Can you shine it?
Smile. Smile for me. Smiling. It looks so nice.
I feel cool now.
You can see? How many fingers I have one?
I don't know. I can't see it. Do it. Look, touch my eyes. I can't open it.
Maybe. Make sure my last 5 cents come up the speed bump. Because I swear he'd indicate to turn right. So I'm confused. But the road's smooth.
Happy birthday. Oh yeah, so like you bad for business.
You have me in the box.
This way.
You have me.
Bring her this way, You're good.
Guys,
Come.
and you walk so far.
Just walk tight. It's a clear walkway right here.
But you're hustling, man.
It's a clear walkway.
What kind of car is it right now? I can't see the back.
Come.
Wait. Nothing here. This. Wait.
Step up.
No.
Step up. Come.
You're on my feet now.
Go.
Go win now.
Go. Walk to chair. Walk to chair. This is the chair. Be brave.
Where the chair be? Oh.
Hold on. I get to take off my phone now. That's right. Taking it off now. Ready?
Hey, that DJ there.
Every time. Tell baby.
No, I knew where it was now.
You don't
She
know
did nothing.
what to do?
What's your face?
I didn't know where it was.
Come, smile hard.
A cake cute. Who make it, Elise?
What happened to that?
But Elise, you have to make me a cake next
I just
year.
in your face.
1, 2, 3. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Tyra. Happy birthday to you. That was it? Oh. Ooh. Ooh. That's some good boy. Ooh. I give you chills, boy. Literally.
21. I'm 21. I'm 21. 21.
What's happening?
Zari. Out on the outro. Out on the outro. I say out on the outro.
Which nobody can deny. Which nobody can deny. Which nobody can deny. She's a jolly good lady. Which nobody can
Doing the most.
21.
One. Oh. Turn on your flash there.
Let me do it. You smile and I do. You ready?
That looks kind of weird.
Wait. Go. It's boomerang. No. Oh.
My bottom, my friend hand.
Hold on. D, do the boomerang. Come, look.
1, 2, 3. Let me cover it. You
Okay. I can blow it. Okay.
1, 2, 3, go.
Alright.
It's not your friend.
That's your friend. That's not your friend.
That's my friend. That's not your friend.
That's not your friend.
That's your
Yo, do a little smile. I try to do a nice boomerang. Ooh, that's
Y'all fake.
What's that next one? Do it, my hand still now.
Y'all married.
You're married to the
You're doing the most. What you feel?
It's a big piece right here. Okay?
Oh, Jesus.
Just hold the hand.
Oh, Zari.
Back it now.